3 Hudson Boulevard, previously known as GiraSole, is a super-tall skyscraper under construction in Manhattan's Hudson Yards and Hell's Kitchen neighborhoods along the Hudson Park and Boulevard in New York City. Its developer is Joseph Moinian. Description: it is expected to rise 53 floors and 940 feet (287 meters) in height. GiraSole architects designed the building, which is planned to have 2 million square feet (190,000 m²) of real estate. Construction was supposed to begin in mid-2014 or 2015, with the building's completion planned for 2017. Completion was rescheduled for 2021. The building, directly across 11th Avenue from the Jacob K. Javits Convention Center, would abut the secondary entrance to the new 34th Street, Hudson Yards subway station, built as part of the New York City Subway's 7 subway extension project. Consequently, the foundation is being built by the Metropolitan Transportation Authority because the subway station is directly underneath. The rest of the building is being built by Moinian Group. The foundation work started May 2016. A groundbreaking ceremony was held November 3, 2017. On June 26, 2014, Joseph Moinian secured a loan for the construction of the building. The building's former name, GiraSole, means sunflower in Italian. Energy efficiency. The developers of the building are hoping to get a LEED Platinum certification for the building when it is completed, owing to its eco-friendly design. Green strategies include wind harvesting, rooftop farming, heat recovery, solar shading, photovoltaic electricity, regenerative elevators, Energy Star-efficient appliances, ice storage, and natural lighting. Floors. The top 2 floors are set aside for a conference center or executive or cafeteria dining. The office building will also include 12,600 square feet (1,170 m²) of retail. See also: List of tallest buildings in New York City. References. External links. Official website. Moinian, 3 Hudson Boulevard. GiraSole, 3 Hudson Boulevard. 3 Hudson Boulevard, 1,034 feet, 315 meters on Flickr.